Today I am opening my first ZenPop box. This box comes from Japan. It's supposed to have stationery type products. This is the May 2019 box. It, just as a warning, if you live on the East Coast of the United States and you order from any of the places that ship from Japan, they tell you it takes 2 to 4 weeks, but it actually takes 6. So just to let you know, it took a long time for this to get here to me. So inside is the little thank you. And then the little paper telling you what all we got. And then let's see. So there are some flower stickers, I believe these are. Yes, flower stickers. So they will be fun. Then we have some cute post-it notes. And, oh, this is pretty. Some Sakura paper. Sakura notepad. So we have the purple, the blue, and it looks like they just rotate through that. Yep. Then we have a washi tape cutter. I've never used one of those before. I usually just tear it by hand, so we'll see how that goes. A set of floral envelopes. These look really cute. Some washi tape. Let me open this up. And there is the washi. That is pretty. And we have a scented eraser. Let's see what it smells like. You get 1 of 8 scents: cherry, pineapple, grape, green apple, mandarin orange, melon, peach, or strawberry. This smells like cherry. Different. I've never had a scented eraser before. I've had other scented pens and pencils and such. Then we have some cats and flowers stickers. I will have to keep these away from Kayla. And, ooh, then we have a mechanical pencil. So here is the pencil. I will try that out in a minute. And then we have a Zig Clean Color Real Brush pen. And that is it. I like this box. I have to double check. I think it was about $35, give or take a little bit. I don't completely remember. I have to look because, like I said, it's been 6 weeks since I ordered. So let's try out the pencil. The end of the pencil is hollow. Is there supposed to be something on there? It's weird. I am not good at using brush pens. So please do not mind my really bad writing with the Zig pen. Obviously, I am not good at brush lettering. So I don't know that I will ever use this pen. Well, maybe I should use it to practice. That was it. I really like this box. I think it was worth the money. It was a long wait, but there's some cool stuff that I can definitely see me using. I mainly bought this because I wanted some fun stuff that I can add into my journals. That's different because, let's face it, the stores around here, their selections, bleh, it's boring. So here's a little, there's the flower stickers. I'll have a picture of all of this at the end. So that was it. What do you think? Have you forgotten this is the ZenPop stationery pack. I love it. I think I will definitely have to go back and reactivate my subscription. I had paused it because I hadn't gotten my box because it took so long. But I like it now that I know to expect it to take 6 weeks. That's a little better. But anyway, let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later.